Welcome to week 6 of our programming series. In this video, we'll dive into the world of lists and tuples. Lists are versatile data structures that allow us to store and manipulate collections of items, while tuples provide immutability and unique use cases. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of lists, tuples, and how to work with them in Python. So, let's get started. Introduction to lists. Lists are powerful and flexible data structures in Python. They allow us to store collections of items, such as numbers, strings, or even other lists. By using lists, we can organize related data, perform operations on the elements, and manipulate them as needed. Creating and accessing lists. In this segment, we'll explore different ways to create lists and how to access their elements using indexing. By understanding the various techniques for creating lists and accessing specific elements, we gain the ability to work with different data sets effectively. List operations and methods. Lists come with a variety of built-in operations and methods that allow us to manipulate and modify them. In this segment, we'll explore common list operations and utilize list methods for more advanced functionalities. With list operations like appending, extending, and slicing, we can add or remove elements from a list and extract specific portions of the list. Introduction to tuples. Tuples are similar to lists but with one key difference: they are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed once defined. Tuples are useful when we want to represent fixed data that should not be modified, such as coordinates or configuration settings. Working with tuples. In this segment, we'll explore various aspects of working with tuples, including accessing elements, performing tuple packing and unpacking, and understanding their unique use cases. By mastering tuple operations, we can efficiently work with immutable data and handle scenarios where data integrity is crucial. Congratulations! You've reached the end of week 6 lesson on lists and tuples. You've learned how to create and initialize lists, access their elements, perform operations, and use methods on them. Additionally, you've gained insights into the immutability and use cases of tuples. Keep practicing and exploring these concepts, and you'll become a skilled Python programmer in no time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about our future programming tutorials. For more resources and exercises, check out the links in the description below. See you in the next video.